Welcome to another hip hop breakdown. Today we're actually learning a little bit of popping, so let's check it out. That was good. Okay, real quick, first shout out to my lovely assistant, Alyssa. Thank you, Alyssa, for being part of this quick video. Anyways, this one is part of my intermediate class at Mission College, and we're working a little bit on popping. So let's break it down real quick. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the first 8 count, and we're gonna do it half time. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do it with Alyssa. Here we go. 6, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's break that down real quick. When we do popping, this is as for beginners. Okay, well, I want you guys to separate the actual pop versus learning the choreography. And when we do the choreography in popping, there's a lot of isolation. So you kind of have to learn those in parallel. But putting them together makes it just a lot more difficult for beginners. So if you have never popped before or learning the popping choreography, I would suggest learn just the choreography. Learn what the body movement, and also try to get down the isolation first. And then you're going to add on the actual pop, the actual snapping and the hitting of the muscle. Okay, so first and 1. All right, so I'm stepping to my left. I'm gonna go left right, and which is the count is on N1. Watch the N1. Okay, Alyssa, great job, but however she was looking down, like to have the head, the whole body looking straight. Okay, N1, and we're coming down 2. Okay, I'll talk about the pop later. This is just the choreography. 2, and what I'm doing is I'm bending at the waist, coming down on 2, come up on 3, I pop on a 3. Here's a 4. Okay, my right knee comes up. Right knee comes up, right knee comes up, perfect. And the opposite arm comes up. Okay? That's 1, 2, 3, that's 4, right? This is 4. Lost track. Come down on 5. This part is a little bit tricky because right when you put your right foot down, the left heel pivots out. Okay, a little bit more angle. I believe Alyssa's heel is coming out, thing that the camera angle probably didn't show it as well. But anyways, the heel is supposed to come out. Okay, notice how my knee, if you bring the knees in, the heel comes out. Okay, what is that? 5, 6. That's 6. 6. Okay, put the heel across, so the heel comes in front of the other foot. And then now I'm going to do a heel-toe turn, heel-toe pivot. If you watch the heel and the toe right there, heel-toe, that's my 7. Okay. While I'm doing that, again, this is kind of difficult for some of the people in class, because while I'm doing that, I'm trying to keep my head and my shoulder isolated. Okay, trying not to turn that while I turn the bottom. Boom. So there is a slight turn. Okay, so I didn't do a perfect job, but if I did, this shouldn't turn. Okay, that's 7, and on N8, I'm gonna do a step, N8. Okay, left foot come back, right foot go forward. Okay, N8. Let's watch that one more time together. Here we go. This is halftime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, good. If you need to rewind that, go ahead and rewind that, but this is what it looks like tempo. Okay, so Alyssa, I am going to do a tempo, which means fast. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now you notice I'm actually popping. Okay, again, if you don't have the isolation portion, popping is just going to confuse you a little bit more. So take away the popping for now. Make sure you can isolate like we did, and then adding the pop. Now I want you to focus on the pop. The popping portion actually, to me, is actually a little bit more difficult because you really got to focus on popping it exactly at the right time. Let's check it out. 6, 7. And the pop is a quick snap. Okay, I'm not gonna go too much into detail in this in this choreography or in this video. I have other videos that explain exactly what the pop is. We broke down popping just the arms and just the legs, just the chest, and just the neck and all that stuff. So, anyways, here you see right here, boom. If you take a look, focus on the my torso region, my chest region. There's a slight, you can see the popping of the chest and the popping of my knee, okay? So I'm snapping my knee here. You can't really tell because my pants is there, but real quick, it's a quick snap. If you look at the chest right there, boom, that snap right there, okay? Because the shirt's loose, you can see the vibration of it. That's my 1, down on 2. Watch the 2. Look at how quickly I snap the arm, okay? Boom. 2, come up on 3, boom, snap the entire arm, bam, and there's the leg too. 4, if you watch the 4, the leg comes, the right leg comes up, the left leg, the left knee, that quick snap right there. Again, it's really hard to tell, but it's really quick. Okay, when you watch the tempo, you can see a quick boom, that quick snap. 5, when I put down on 5, this right knee is snapping. 5, 6, see a quick snapping of the arm, okay? 6, 7, quick snapping of the arm right there, 7, and 8, quick snapping of the arm. So it all happens really fast, and the idea is when you snap it, boom, you come back, you relax, you come back to your original position, okay? Let's check it out one more time. Here we go. 7. Okay, so moving forward, second 8 count, and we're gonna go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, good. Breaking this down. So basically, what we're doing is we're twisting our body. This is part of the Twisto Flex family. Okay, I'm keeping my hand, my wrist, around my waistline, okay? And I'm just turning the upper body. So here we go. Slow. 5, 6, 7. That's my 1. Notice my slap my leg or snap my knee there, okay? Again, when you first start, you don't have to do that. But as you get better and better, try to add that. That's my 1. Right on the 2, I'm doing a little walkout, okay? Left foot comes forward and I twist at the same time. That's my 2. 3, same thing. Left foot comes up, turning and doing a twisto right there. 3, 4. Okay. Now I'm doing kind of like a bottom first, where my heel, actually I'm pivoting off the toe. Okay. Boom. In class, I actually broke this down even further. So for people who can't do a knee roll or a hip roll, you just pivot. All you do is pivot. But you can tell I'm doing a little bit of a knee roll. See, no, watch the knee. The knee comes up first, and it kind of does a little half circle. Okay. While I'm doing that, I'm pivoting on the ball of my feet. I think that's 5. I think I feel like I can. So that's 5. And then finish the top, 6, okay? Top comes up, 6, and I'm gonna pivot back again. 7, the knee comes around, boom, 7, and the body catches up. 8, all right? Let's watch it one more time together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay. I count the and because the and, if you're actually doing the rotation of the knee comes up on the end. and swing around, okay? All right, let's watch that tempo. Let's do it together. Tempo. 5, 6, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right. And again, same thing as before. Add the pop later. I'm not going to go slow motion on this one because you guys could actually see it. Okay, moving forward. Let's go slow for the next 8 count. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, so this one we stopped on 1. Usually we stop at 8, but it doesn't matter. We stop on just no problem. Here we go. Moving forward. 1, so my back leg, which is my right leg, comes up. It's just a quick tap, okay? Tap and then step out. That's 1 and 2, okay? One more time. Let's just watch the leg. Just watch the leg. Okay, here we go. I have 1 and 2, okay? The arm, 1 and 2. So it swings around and 2. And 3, watch the 3. 3, so it comes around, boom, like a semicircle. Both arms comes around, 3, okay? So this is kind of like a scarecrow position, or puppet position, if you will. And then now I'm going to collapse the knees in. The knee comes in, the heel goes out just a little bit, all right? Watch that again. This is my 3 coming down on the 4, okay? 4. Now this is a scarecrow move. This move is, it took me a while to learn from my mentor, Skeeter Rabbit, but it's a really, really cool move. So you go, right there, I'm going to jump on the 5. I'm only on one leg, so this is difficult because you're balancing on one leg. And notice my body, I'm pulling away. So right here, instead of going to, I'm going to my left. My shoulder's leaning this way, my elbow's pulling this way, okay? So Alyssa she's trying to get her balance right there, but if she had her left elbow up versus the right, then it would look a little bit better, okay? This is my 5, 6. So notice, watch this one. Look at the leg, okay? So my right leg is gonna step in front and across. So my right leg is actually stepping to the left. Stepping to the left. At the same time, look at my body is swinging over to the right side. So there's that counterbalance, okay? It takes a little bit, little practice to kind of get used to that. So here's 5, okay? Here's 4. 4, jump up on 5. Swing over to 6. Right when I come up, see how I pick up the knee? Okay. 6, 7, 8, then 1. Okay. Let's watch that again. Here we go. Halftime. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Alright? So again, notice the body is swinging back and forth. The top is swinging to one side. The bottom goes the opposite way. Goes the opposite way. Opposite way. Okay? On the 7, you see how I'm putting my leg behind. So what's difficult is I'm stepping forward and back. Okay, so there's so many elements that kind of makes it a little bit more complicated, but it makes it really cool. Okay, here we go. Let's check this out. Tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay. All right. Moving forward. I know I'm going kind of quick, but it takes time to practice, guys. So, anyways, this is a good preview for some of you, and for some of you who are in my class, this is a review for you guys. All right. Moving forward. Here we go. We started on the 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. All right, so we got a little bit of body roll right there. Let's go back. Okay, Even though we did the 1 previously from the other video, we're gonna start with the 1 just to make things easier, okay? So here we go. Slow. 1, 2. 2 is pretty easy, right? All we doing, but again, we gotta make sure we isolate everything, okay? Sometimes I see people in class, when we do just the 2 part, just on the 2, 1, right on the 2, okay? I'm trying really hard not to move everything else, okay? Here's the 2, and notice the pop there, right? You guys notice the pop right on the, boom. That's the 2, okay? So if you have that, great. If you don't have that, don't worry about it. 2. Now, 3 and 4. Watch the 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So the arm is doing alternation, right? So my left arm is, my left hand is up. Now I'm gonna go right hand, left hand. This is a little bit of Toy Man. Toy Man is another style within Electric Boogaloo Dance, all right? And while I'm doing that, I'm doing a body wave, okay? Doing a body wave down. 1, 2, watch. 3 and 4. I end up with my butt kind of sitting down. My knees are bent now, okay? So my weight is on the back leg. My back leg in this situation is my right leg, okay? There's 3 and 4. 3 and 4 and 5. So my right knee comes up, steps down, and 5. The reason why I could do that is because my weight is sitting on the back side. Okay, and 5, and I'm doing shift, and 6. Okay, rewind that again. Watch that. So I have the, here you go, and 5, and 6. Good. Now I'm coming back. I'm coming back with a body wave. Here's 7 and 8. Okay, and that's how we end it. Let's watch that one more time together. Halftime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right. So let's try this tempo. Just that last 8 count. Here we go. Okay. All right. Hopefully you got all that stuff down. If you didn't, go ahead and rewind it back and check it out again. We're going to do it one last time, tempo together, Alyssa and I. And let's see. Here we go. All right, good. Good job, Alyssa. All right. Again, rewind it, watch it over and over again. Popping is one of those things that it took me a very, very long time. Luckily, I had great instructors, patient instructors, and that's what we need, okay? And the most patient thing is a video. So rewind it as much as you can, watch it, practice it. Feel free to hit me up in the comments below with any questions. And like it if you do, share it if you can, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, late.